wing clipper today, and with the wing clipper, the instructions that you get are absolutely fabulous. You have wonderful charts, you have wonderful directions, and you can make 10 different sizes of flying geese with this wing clipper. We're going to make a 2x4 inch finished block today. And so it's going to be 2.5 by 4.5 inches unfinished. We're going to start with a 5.5 inch square and 4 3-inch squares. So we're going to start. So we've got our square, and you're going to use your magic wand, and you're going to draw on both sides of your magic wand to create sewing lines. Then you're going to set these just a little bit off of the edge of the fabric. The reason we do this is to have room to trim when we're done. And as you can see, my lines that I drew line up. You can pin these together, and then you are going to sew right on those two lines. When you get that done, you will have, and I've already cut this, so put it back together here. This is what you're going to have. So then you're going to take any ruler that you want, and you're just going to slice down the center, corner to corner, and you'll have these 2 units. Take them to your ironing board and give them a press. And remember to press up or press straight down. Do not press across, or we'll start to bow on you, and we don't want to do that. Once you get that done, we are going to add our 3rd piece. Okay, so we're going to say this one's all nice and pressed. And again, you're going to add this piece just a little off of the edge of the fabric. Okay, so just a little bit off the edge. And your sewing lines are going to hit right in the crease. So it's going to lay perfectly for you. You're going to sew down those 2 lines again, and you're going to cut them apart. And when you do that, you're going to have 4 nice little flying geese. Okay, after you get that all pressed. So now we need to trim. And our wing clipper is what we're going to use today. There we go. And the wing clipper has a lot of X's across it. It's got a common diagonal right through there. And it's got sizing guidelines. So what we're going to do is take our flying goose. We're going to lay it with the point towards you. And you're going to line up this common diagonal on the right side of the unit. The X is going to go right in the center. And the other line is going to go across your other seam. Okay? And let me see if I can scoot that over here a little bit so you can see it. I'm going to tilt it just a dab to get out of the shadow there, the light. Okay, so we're all lined up. And then you're just going to trim up and across. Turn him around. And this time you're going to line it up with your 4.5 by 2.5 inch sizing guidelines. You have your little X up here in the corner. And this X is going to give you your 1/4 inch between the tip of your flying goose and the edge of your unit, so that everything will always stay nice and together, and you will never lose your points. Okay? And you end up with a nice flying goose. So let's do that one more time. Okay. Lay your flying goose down, point towards you. You're going to line up the common diagonal along the right side. The cross goes right here at your tip. And the other line goes across your other seam line. Okay? You're going to line those guys up, and you're going to trim. Turn it around. Line it up with your 4.5 by 2.5 inch guidelines. Your X is at your tip. And there you have it. So you have a perfect 1/4 inch up here at the top. You have your seams going right into the corners like they're supposed to, so that when you sew these guys together, they're going to match perfectly, and you will never lose the point of your goose. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll try to get those answered for you. And again, we have classes offered on this. We're going to do, as you can see over my shoulder, there's a little flying goose. Let's see, where is he? There he is. Little flying goose tail runner. We're going to do that as a class. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and we will see you next time.